Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make single phase motor control from two-place wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Magnetic contactor, switch 2, switch 1, double pole MCB circuit breaker, water motor. Phase connection to double pole MCB. Phase connection from double pole MCB to connect magnetic contactor L1 terminal. Phase connection to switch 1. Phase connection from switch 1 to connect switch 2. Phase connection between switch 1 and switch 2 connection. Phase connection from switch 2 to connect magnetic contactor coil connection. Neutral connection to double pole MCB. Neutral connection from double pole MCB to connect magnetic contactor coil connection. Neutral connection to magnetic contactor L2 terminal. Output connection from magnetic contactor to motor. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.